Hello guys, welcome back to my channel and myself Nilesh Hadalgi here, and today we are going to delete our Instagram account using an app. This is basically generated by me for the ease of deleting the Instagram applications. So let's start it. The link for this application, this application is not available in the Play Store, and hence I've given the link in the description so you can get it from there. First thing is, go to your application named delete Instagram, and you have a guide here if you would like to visit, and here are the steps written how you can delete your Instagram account. Else is go directly to here and delete your Instagram account. It will redirect you to instagram.com via Google Chrome. The necessary condition is that you need to have a Google Chrome application which will be pre-installed by the Google to any device. So I'll just go to my Instagram. I'll just copy the username. Let's delete this account. Just put the profile address, copy the username. I'm going to delete, so I can reveal my password. Set login and you can set anything, not now. Here you can see delete your account. Just go click here. Tell why are you deleting this account. You can just click anything or write something else. Now you need to write here your Instagram password. That is TEST12 in my case. Just click this red button, permanently delete my account. It says, are you sure you want to delete your account? Hit OK if you would like to, and here your account has been removed. We are sorry to see you to go. Yeah, that's it, and your account is permanently deleted. Now you can just go back to your Instagram and just refresh this page. You see you are logged out of the and the account owner may have changed the password, which means that our account is deleted. So here you can see I have 3 accounts and one is completely deleted, and this cannot be found on the Instagram server now. So that's it for today. If you like my videos, just hit subscribe and don't forget to share and like, and the link for the application is given in the description, and just let me know is it working good for you. Thank you.